Hey everybody, it's Scott Golden from Simmons Total Renovations, and we recently completed a whole house restoration in Little Elm, Texas. And I'd like to share with you some of the results. This client first contacted us after already letting go 2 contractors on her project. She was behind schedule and she wanted to make some improvements to her home. The entire home was water damaged because of leaks that happened in the attic, and it required a complete renovation from top to bottom. We completely redid the kitchen, taking out a beam and opening up the kitchen, adding new cabinets, countertops, lighting, making it a very pleasant place to work, including new appliances and wine fridge. In the master bath, we completely redid the master bath, new cabinets. We moved the tub to a new location and included a soaker tub with a floor-mounted faucet and completely redid the shower. We also redid several rooms, including guest bathrooms, and we even redid a theater room as well. So as you can see, it was a complete remodel. It was a project we're very proud of. So if you find that you have a water damage or you just want to do a complete remodel on your home, give us a call at Simmons Total Renovations. We'll be happy to sit down and talk about your project, and we'll help you make your dream home come true.